Now we're gonna cover the over shimmy, which is a variation of a 3/4 on the down, and it adds a little Maya to it. And we're gonna do it flat-footed and also on the ball of the foot. So some of you may already be familiar with the reverse shimmy, as it's known in ATS, or the 3/4 on the down shimmy. And what that means, and I'll just do it really quickly because I'm assuming you already know 3/4 on the down, is you step the right foot down and the hip comes down, and then you have an up, down before you step to the other side, up, down. So we're gonna go down, left, down, up, down. So where this goes from being a straight 3/4 on the down to an over shimmy is we add a Maya to it. So Maya, super fast review, is that it goes up, out, and down. So obviously it's not going to be smooth because you're working with a choppy 3/4, but you're going to lift the hip up and then step the right hip down, and it goes slightly out at a diagonal, and then up, and then it goes out even more. Other side, left, down, up, down. So you can sort of see the little Maya emerging in there. And down, up, down. So you're trying to keep it as much as possible, moving up and out. Other side, down, up, down, down. And to really highlight the movement in the hips, we're gonna do a really strong elbow up, shoulder down. So elbows and arms pretty flat. Left, up, down, right, up, down. We'll do left and then we'll double. Left, up, down. Get the right foot ready and down, up, down, left, down, up, down, right, down, up, down, out and out more. And boom, 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 boom. And your rib cage can float just a tiny bit in opposition to this. It doesn't have to, but it can. Make sure that you're lengthening the spine and lifting up and away from the pelvis. Okay, we're gonna double and right, left, right, left. And what I've noticed over the years is that my head just slightly follows the feeling of the Maya, and it gives it a little sass. So, boom, 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 down, up, out, down, up, out. Okay, in just a moment, we're gonna double this one. Keep the elbows up there, 5, 6, 7, double, and right, left, right, left. On the toes. And flat again. And on the toes. One more of each, and flat. And on the toes. Get it way out there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, inhale up. Exhale down and relax. So that is the over shimmy.